Welcome students, myself Kukrajay Rahul, and today we have to learn about the surface area and volume for the standard 9th. Okay, and today's topic is surface area and volume related to the sphere and hemisphere. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. Okay, so today's topic is surface area and volume, that is related to the sphere and hemisphere. Okay, and students, as per the previous lecture, we already learned about the surface area and volume related to the cube, cuboid, cylinder, and also with the cone. Okay, this is the last topic of the related to the hemisphere and sphere. Okay, so we have to learn about the surface area and volume, that is related to the sphere and hemisphere, and this is the last topic of this chapter. Okay, so let's start without the wasting time. So as per the sphere, my sphere is, shape of sphere is like, okay, this is my shape of the sphere and this is my radius. Okay, this is my radius. Now as per the sphere, my surface area, that is total surface area, and curved surface area of sphere, that are equal of them, because in this sphere there is not any kind of the edges. Okay, here is only one type of the sphere, that is the curved sphere. Okay, so their total surface area and curved surface area, both of them are equal. So their total surface area and curved surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, that is 4 pi r square. Now volume of sphere is, what is volume of sphere? That will 4 by 3 pi r cube. That will 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have to see that the for hemisphere, my hemisphere is look like a bowl. Okay, my hemisphere is look like a bowl. Now in this bowl, this is my radius. Okay, so bowl is, there is a two type of the bowl, that is closed from the top and one of them is open from the top. Okay, so for that we have to see that there is a total surface area and curved surface area are different. So curved surface area of hemisphere, that is only the curved surface, that is from the here to here. Okay, not including top of the area. Okay, so the curved surface area is 2 pi r square, that is the half of the sphere. Okay, that is the half of the sphere, because this is a hemisphere, so we have to divide them with the 2. So this is my curved surface area of the hemisphere. Now we have to move for the total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere, that means when we have to take total surface area of hemisphere, we are talking about for the closed hemisphere. Okay, at that time we are talking about the closed hemisphere. For the closed hemisphere, my total surface area of hemisphere, that is curved surface area plus area of the top, because that is closed. Okay, so I'll write it 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So that is my total surface area is 3 pi r square for the hemisphere. My total surface area for the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now, as per the hemisphere is half of the sphere, so my volume of hemisphere is also half of the sphere. That is, here is a 4 by 3 pi r cube, and that is here is a 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, clear? Please note down these formulas that help us to calculate their sums. Okay. So clear? Now we have to move for the questions. Okay. So my first question is that find surface area of the sphere of radius. There the radius are given and surface area, that is find the surface area. In this sphere there are always only talk about the surface area, because curved surface area and total surface area both of them are same, okay, in this sphere. So here is only write it here, that is find the surface area of sphere. Okay, and the radius are given. One of them, that is 10.5. I'll write it one of the question, that is 10.5, and there is another question that is related that I'll give you in the homework. Okay, so question is radius is 10.5 centimeter. Radius is 10.5 centimeter. So as per the surface area of sphere, that is my surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, so 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 10.5. Now I'll take point from that, so I'll divide with the 10. Now here is r square, so I'll write 105 by 10 2 times. Okay, so now cancellation, take over cancellation, that is in the 7 1s are 7 5s are. After that 5 3s are 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 11s are 22, 2 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Here is all kind of the cancellation are done. Now my remaining numbers are 2 into 11 into 3 into 21. So 3 2s are 6 into 11, that is 66 into 21. Now multiply 66 into 21, that is my 0 12 12 plus 1 13 6 6, that is 1386, that is 1386 centimeter square, that is 1386 centimeter square. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for the next question. Next question is that find the surface area of sphere of diameter. Now diameter is given, so one of the question from the diameter I'll take here, and after that two of them are given in your homework. That is diameter of the sphere, that is 3.5 centimeter. Diameter is given 3.5 centimeter. So find the surface area of the sphere. So diameter is 3.5. So my radius is diameter divided by 2. Therefore 3.5 divided by 2. I'll take point from that. Therefore 35 by 10 into 2. So 5 7s are 5 2s are. So your answer is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 centimeter. Okay. If you want to cancel this, then you have to do that, but I am not doing cancellation because in this sum that I already cancelled whenever we have to calculate with the formula. Now my surface area of sphere formula is 4 pi r square. Therefore 4 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. Okay. So 7 7 are cancel out. 4 4 are cancel out. 2 2s are 4. 2 11s are 22. Okay. It is a easy cancellation. So 11 into 7, that is 77 by 2 centimeter square. My answer is 77 by 2 centimeter square. Okay, clear? Okay, clear? Now we have to move for the next question. My next question is that find the total surface area of the hemisphere and the solid hemisphere. Each of radius is 10 centimeter. Here is it tell that find the surface area of the hemisphere and also a hemisphere. Okay, find the total surface area of hemisphere, and second is the solid hemisphere. Each of radius is 10 centimeter. And use pi as a 3.14. Here is my hemisphere is given and radius is equal to 10 centimeter. We have to find total surface area of hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now we have to use pi as a 3.14 as per they say. So 3 into value of pi, that is 3.14, that means 314 upon 100 into r square, that is 10 into 10. So 10 tens are 100 and that are cancel out. So 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3 3s are 9. Then 942 centimeter square. This is my answer of the total surface area of hemisphere. Okay. Okay, all of these are easiest sum. Now we have to move for the some tough sum, that is a surface area of sphere is given. Now surface area of given is given, that is 5544, and you have to find the diameter of them. Okay, you have to find the diameter of that. So surface area is given, that is 5544. Surface area of sphere, sorry students, here my mistake. Surface area of sphere is given, not a hemisphere, so write sphere. Surface area of sphere is 5544. Okay, 5544 centimeter square, 5544 centimeter square. Okay, then you have to find the diameter of the sphere. So for the diameter of the sphere, I want radius of the sphere, because whenever we have to find the radius, after that we have to converting that into diameter. Without it I can't find the diameter for that. So my surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, so I write the surface area of sphere, that is 5544 equal to 4 into 22 by 7, and we have to find the radius. So I'll take radius r square as it is. Okay, now 7 are shifted to second side to multiply with the 5544. So 5544 into 7, and 4 and 22 are in the division because they are into the multiplication. Therefore we have to shift that into the second side, so it will be divided by 2. 5544 equal to r square. Now do the cancellation. 22 ones are 22, 22 2s are 44, 22 2s are 44. So 1 1 4 114, that is 22 3s are 66, and 22 4s are 88, 22 5s are 110. Okay, 22 5s are 110. So 114 minus 110, that is 4, and another 44, that is 122 2s are 44. Okay, now there is a cancellation with the 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 5, 2 2s are 4, 1 12, 2 6 are 12. Okay, and 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So my radius is r square, that is 63 into 7 is equal to r square. Okay, so we have to multiply 63 with the 7. So my answer is 7 3s are 21, 6 7 are 42, 42 plus 2, 42 plus 2 43, 42 44, sorry, 42 plus 2 44, that is 441. Therefore my r square is, that is 441. Okay, so therefore my radius is, now I shifted square to the second side to find the square root. So square root of 441, that is my 21 centimeter. Okay, square root of 441, that is my 21. So my radius is 21 centimeter square, sorry, 21 centimeter only. So my radius is 21 centimeter. So my diameter is radius into 2 times radius. So 21 into 2, that is my 46. 46? No, 42. My radius is 42 centimeter. Okay, clear students? Please note down all of this fast. Now we are moving for the next question. Okay, my next question is that a hemispherical bowl is made of brass, has inner diameter as 10.5 centimeter, and find the cost of the plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 4 per 100 centimeter square. Okay, so we can see that hemispherical bowl hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter. Here is that said inner diameter. So my bowl is like okay. So my diameter, that is from here to here, that is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, and cost of plating it on inside of the rate that is given as a rate as rupees 4 plus 4 per 100 centimeter square. Then find the cost. Then they said that find the cost, how much money they have to require to plastering, how much plating, how much money they have to require to plating the brass inside the bowl. Okay, so we have to find the curved surface of the bowl, because there is a open bowl and we don't have to require to plating brass to the uppermost part, and we don't have to close them. Okay, so we have to find the curved surface area of hemisphere, that is my 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into, here is my diameter, this is my diameter. So we have to require to convert this diameter into the radius. So we have to convert diameter into the radius. So my radius is diameter divided by 2. So 10.5 divided by 2. Okay. Now we have to remove point from them. Okay. Now we have to remove point from them. So my radius is 105 by 10 into 2. Okay. So therefore I will write it, so radius, that is 105 by 20 into 105 by 20. Okay. Because in the base there is a 10 into 2, so I will write it 20 at here. Okay. So we have to calculate them. In the 7 1s are 7 15s are, okay, 5 3s are 5 4s are 20, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2 11s are 22. Okay. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Okay. Now there is not any kind of the cancellation. Okay. So we have to write it now. 11 into 3 into 21 divided by 4. So 11 into 3 33, 33 into 21, that is my 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, that is my 693. Okay, that is my 693 by 4. So my curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 693 by 4. Okay, I will write this area as it is, because now we also multiply with the rupees, so we have to cancellation at that easily. Okay, so now I have to find the rupees. So for the 100 centimeter square there is a 4 rupees. Okay, there is a for the 100 centimeter square there is a 4 rupees. Now meter square and rupees, for 100 meter square, that is a 4 rupees. There is a meter square or centimeter square? Yes, centimeter square, my mistake. Okay, here is a centimeter square, that is my mistake. So for the 100 centimeter square there is a 4 rupees. Okay, there is a 400 centimeter square, there is a 4 rupees. Now we have to solve that. 693 by 4 centimeter square, that is how much rupees? Okay, so we have to multiply 693 by 4 into 4 by 100. Okay, therefore 4 are cancelled out. 693 by 100, that is my answer is 6.93 rupees are required. How much money they require? 6.93 rupees are required. Okay, so my answer is 6.93 rupees. There is a 6 rupees and 93 paisa they are required. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, there is a 6.93 rupees are required for that. Okay, so now we are here to move for the homework, and I'll give you the homework questions for you. Okay, so let's we move for the questions that I'll give you in homework for today's session. My homework questions of the year, that is, first question is find surface area of sphere. My homework question for you, that is find surface area of sphere. First one is for 5.6 centimeter and second one is for 14 centimeter. There is a two sum in this, that is one of them is 5.6 centimeter and for the second one is for 14 centimeter. Okay, for both of them you have to do the sum. Okay, and I'll also give you the answer for that. Okay, for that helpful for you to calculate that. That is, answer for the first one is 394.24 centimeter square. That is 394.24 centimeter square for first one, and for the second one answer is 2464 centimeter square. 2464 centimeter square. Okay, second one is find the surface area of sphere of diameter. Here is the radius are given. In this question there is both of them are radius, and second one is find the surface area of sphere, and here is the diameter is given. Okay, here is the diameter is given, that is 14 centimeter. That is 14 centimeter given, and second question is as a 21 centimeter given. Okay, in that there is a two question, that is one of them is for the 14 centimeter as a diameter and second one is for the 21 centimeter as a diameter. You have to do both of the sum. Then my answer for the first one is 1386 centimeter square, and for the second one my answer is 38.5 centimeter square. Okay, please note down the answer with the question, because of the it's helpful for you whenever you have to solve it. Here is the question, that is another question, that is the dome of the building is in the form of the hemisphere. The dome of the building is in the form of the hemisphere, is in the form of the hemisphere. Okay, its radius is 6.3 meter. Its radius is 6.3 meter. Okay, find the cost of painting. Find the cost of painting. Okay, that is my rate is at the rate of rupees 2 per meter square. At the rate of rupees 2 per meter square. Okay, so you have to find the rate of them, and for that your rate answer is 498.96. How much cost they require? They require cost as 492 rupees 492 sorry 498.96 498.96 rupees. There is a answer is for this question, that is rupees 498.96 are required for the cost. Okay, here is the hemisphere is given, and you have to paint there from the inner surface, okay, or the outer surface. Okay, so you have to find their curved surface, not a total surface. Okay, clear? So students, I hope you have to clear all these things in the today's session. Okay, so till then students, goodbye and stay blessed.